Hello students, welcome back to Info Science. So how are you all? I think you all are safe and healthy at home. So in today's video we shall discuss about the synthetic fibers and plastics. So in this part we'll discuss about what is synthetic fibers, then different types of synthetic fibers, then we'll know the characteristics of synthetic fibers, and also we'll discuss about the plastics, the different types of plastics, and also the properties of the plastics, and the last one, that is about the plastics and environment. So now let's learn about it. So as we all know that fibers are what? They are the thin strains. They are the thin strains that are used to make the fabrics. So fabric means that is the cloth. So fibers are used to make the fabrics, and these fibers, it is of two types. The one is the natural fibers, that is obtained from the natural sources. So natural sources, they're what? They're the animals and the plants. So some of the natural fibers are silk. So silk is obtained from what? That is obtained from the silkworm. And then wool is obtained from what? That is obtained from the sheep. So these are the natural fibers. So natural fibers, they are obtained from the natural sources. So now in this part we'll discuss about the synthetic fibers. So the synthetic fibers, they are man-made, and it is made up of small units called the monomers, which combine to form the polymers. Now what is monomers? So these monomers, they are single molecule, and that can bond with the other identical molecules to form the polymers through a process called polymerization. So you see in the picture, this monomers, they are the single molecule. Okay, then now what is polymers? So these polymers, they are the large molecule, and they are made up of several molecules, that is the monomers, that is linked together. So you see in the picture, these polymers, they are the large molecules. Okay, and they are made up of several monomers linked together. And the polymerization is what? It is the process of linking of that small monomers together to form the polymers. So that is known as the polymerization. Now let us know about the different types of synthetic fibers. So there are different types of synthetic fibers, you could see here in the picture. So one is the rayon, that is also known as artificial silk, then polyester, then nylon, and another one is the acrylic. Now let us know one by one all these synthetic fibers. So this rayon, okay, this rayon, it is also known as the artificial silk, and it is made from the wood pulp. Okay, wood pulp, that is the naturally occurring cellulose. And this rayon, this type of materials, they absorb the moisture, and it is very comfortable to wear. So this rayon, you could see this, it is used to make the carpets, then cap. Okay, this rayon material is used. Now next is the nylon. So nylon, it is the first synthetic. Okay, this was the first synthetic that is made entirely from chemicals. So in nylon materials, there is no any natural substance. So but in case of rayon, you see, though it is artificial, but it is made up from wood pulp, that is the natural source. But in nylon, that is entirely, it is made from the chemical. So it was made up of coal, air, and water. And this nylon materials, these are very strong, elastic, wrinkle resistant, and also it absorbs very little amount of water, and it is very easy to wash. So this nylon materials, it is used to make the parachutes, then rope. Okay, then next is the polyester. So the polyesters, they are made from the monomers called ester, and this is manufactured from the petroleum. And these polyesters, these are extremely strong, and their chemical resistance and very durable, and does not absorb water easily, and they, they're very quick to dry. And these polyesters, these are used in the lightweight cell, then in PET bottle. So this polyesters is used. So next is the acrylic. So acrylic, this is the lightweight, this soft, and it is somewhat common to someone, it is similar to the wool. Okay, then it is made from the chemical substance called acrylonitrile. Okay, and this acrylic materials, they are wrinkle resistance, does not shrink, and it can be dyed easily in variety of colors. And this acrylic materials, they are used to make the sweaters, shawl. So these are the different types of the synthetic fibers. So next, let us know about the characteristics of the synthetic fibers. So the synthetic fibers, they are less expensive and readily available, and they do not shrink, and is very strong and elastic, and they absorb very little water, and they are wrinkle resistant, and they are very lightweight and extremely fine, and they are not attacked by moths, and they can be dyed in variety of colors. So these are the different characteristics of the synthetic fibers. So you could see here in the picture, so these all are the things where the different types of synthetic fibers is used to make these materials. Now the synthetic fibers have some disadvantages. So the synthetic fibers, they melt on heating, and this cloths that is made from the synthetic fibers, that are not so suitable for wearing during the summertime, and this type of cloths, they catch the fire very easily. So that's why during the puja time we should not wear this synthetic type of cloths. Okay, because the synthetic type of cloths is easily catches fire. Now let us know about the plastics. So plastics, you see, as we daily use the plastics everywhere, we use the plastic water bottle, then our pen is made from or plastic spoon, then a tiffin box, all things day to day we use many things that are made from the plastics. So plastics are what? So plastics, it is a polymer which can be molded into different shapes. And the word plastics, that are originate from the Greek word that is plastikos, which means that can be shaped. And this plastic polymers can have different types of arrangement of the monomers. Okay, so one is the linear polymers, then is the branch polymers, then cross-link polymers, and the last one is the network polymers. Now there are two types of plastics. So the one is the thermoplastics, and another one is the thermosetting plastics. So this, you see, thermoplastics, this plastics, it can be deformed and it can be bent easily on heating, but the thermosetting plastics, it cannot be softened on heating. And once this thermoplastic, it is molded, it cannot be reshaped. Means as the ones that the thermoplastic, it is heated, so if the shape is made, that shape cannot be again changed. But in the thermosetting plastics, so once it is molded, it can be reshaped, means the shape can be keep on, we can change again and again. So this thermoplastics, some of the examples are polythene, then PVC, that is the polyvinyl chloride, and the thermosetting plastics are the bakelite and melamine. So these are the two types of plastic. One is the thermoplastics and the another one is the thermosetting plastics. Now let us know about the properties of plastics. So these plastics, these are very lightweight and it is very easy in handling. Suppose you see the polythene which you use, it is very lightweight and also it is very easy to handle. Then our box that is made from the plastic, so that is also very lightweight, so and easy to handle. So most of the materials made of the plastic is very lightweight and easily it can be handled. But and also it is a very poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is inflammable and it is insoluble in water and it is non-reactive. So these are the different properties of plastics. Next, one of the important thing, these are the disadvantages. So you see here in the picture, so this plastics, they are non-biodegradable, means they cannot be decomposed in the soil. Okay, and this plastics, it cause the pollution, that is the air pollution, land pollution, water pollution. So this plastics which you use in our daily life, it is very much harmful, as this it is not decomposable, and also the burning of plastics is caused the pollution, and also if you throw the plastic in the land, it is not decomposed, so it causes the land pollution. And if you see here, if this plastic is thrown in water, so it causes the water pollution, means all the water it get polluted. So these are the various disadvantages of the plastics. And how we can minimize this plastics, how we can minimize the use of this plastics? So let us know that, so this plastics, it can be minimized by one of the important thing, that is the 5 R's, that is the refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle. So that is the 5 R's through which we can minimize the use of the plastics, that will cause the less damage to the environment. So before ending the video, I have a question for you all. Name the first synthetic fiber that was discovered, and also name the scientist who discovered that synthetic fiber. So in the comment section below, to write the answer of that. So till then, let us end this video and we will meet again in the next another video.